The MDD 2TB surveillance hard drive offers ample capacity for continuous video recording in security and media setups. Its 7,200 revolutions per minute spindle speed and generous cache provide snappy performance for multiple camera streams and general desktop use. The drive uses a 3.5-inch serial ATA 6.0 gigabit per second interface, making it straightforward to integrate into most modern desktop computers, network storage boxes, and digital video recorders. It is engineered for around-the-clock operation, which is important for surveillance systems that need constant reliability rather than occasional use. Heat output and noise levels are well controlled for a high-speed mechanical drive, helping it run quietly in living spaces or small offices. Although this renewed unit ships as a bare drive without extras, installation is simple once mounted and formatted, and it behaves like a dependable workhorse in daily use.